Alright guys, so I'm here and I'm gonna do something new. I'm gonna try something different. As you can see, I got 35% ceramic tint on the front windshield. And guys, if you're gonna do the front windshield, make sure you use ceramic tint. That way you can see through at nighttime. It's also well recommended for the back. I already tried the dark tint look. The front windshield is 35%. It's pretty dark. It's nice for the pictures and all. And when you look at it from the inside, it's pretty clear. But it's clear because of the ceramic tint, guys. So make sure if you darken your front windshield, use the ceramic tint, and that will guarantee you to see at nighttime much better than the regular tint. So today, guys, I am actually gonna go fishbowl look. You know what I mean? I mean, it's a show car, so I got a beautiful interior, and I do not mind showing it off, especially to the car shows that my car is gonna be in for like a couple of days, indoor car show, and I'm gonna have to lock them doors when I'm not there. But I would like for the people to I would like for the people to at least look through the glass to look at the interior while I'm not around my car, to have my doors open or windows down, you know? So, but I am putting ceramic tint all the way around to help my interior not get messed up because of the sun. You know, in the hot summer days, you know, that sun be beaming, and you know, you be feeling the whole inside hot. It's like a magnifying glass, you know. So that will be burning your skin and all that. So, you know, I got two beautiful daughters and my wife, and I gotta protect them from that summer heat. And when you have the fishbowl look, you know, that sun just beams through them windows like crazy. So I'm putting ceramic tint all the way around. So as you can see, the tint has this bluish hue to it. I wonder if that's noticeable on the actual glass. So he's almost done with the windshield. Let's take a look. So as you can see, I don't really see much blue hue to it. I see a little something, but we will have to check it out on the sun. So, but that's not a bad idea. I'm gonna have to look into it, see who does like a light blue tint. You know, I'm gonna have to talk to my boy Chucho over at Proline, and we'll have to see. I'm gonna go check him out next week. But I'm right here, you know, check these guys out. You know, I only deal with the best. I got recommended by a lot of people to come to this shop. You know, these guys are good at what they do, so check them out. Brooklyn, y'all. nova.york.tattoos. Check them out. They're finally here. Let me turn the light on real quick, see if we got a little bit more light.
Dun dun dun.
And here we go.
The unboxing.
The first look at my LF Novas. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Kapow!
Wow, look at
It
that.
looks like diamonds, bro. Wow. Chrome flat lid.
Even the little baby came out for this.
Wow. Look, baby. You like the wheel? Amazing. Look how shiny it is. It's not polished. It's actual chrome.
Wow.
Look, Mama, look. You like the wheel? Yes. Oh, woo. Look how
Wow.
wide these babies are.
That's super nice.
Those are big.
Whoa.
Wow. Those are nice.
You like Elise? Yes. Look how wide these are, guys. Amazing.
Mommy, I would stare at her and she would be.
Damn, look at this big ass slips.
I stare at. I would stare. I stared at Elise and she.
Wow.
And she.
Wow, you like the rims? You like the wheels, Elise? Yes. All right. As long as you like them.